Untuk tutorial 5 kali ini, saya akan membincangkan soalan berkaitan dengan markup. So, kita tengok apa soalannya. A retailer has markup 120 on travel bag in his shop. If the markup percent is 32% of the selling price, find the selling price. Okey, apa yang diberi di sini? Diberi kepada anda markup. Okey, 120. Then also we have markup percent 32% on selling price. So markup 0.32 on selling. Selling is retail. So find the selling price means that find the retail price. So apa yang kita ada di sini? So kita ada markup equal to 0.32R and given to you markup is 120. So 120 equals to 0.32R. Okay, daripada sini kita boleh dapatkan retail. Okay, pindahkan 0.32 and 120 divided by 0.32 is your retail price. So what is your retail price? Is RM 375. So this is for question A. For question B, find the cost price. Okay, untuk soalan ini kita nak cari cost. Okay, so what is C? From retail equals to cost plus markup. Okay, retail 375. So masukkan di sini 375 and C for cost and markup is 120. So what is cost? Cost is 375 minus 120. So our cost is RM 255. So this is for question C. Question C, calculate the markup rate based on cost. Okay, untuk soalan ini kita nak mencari markup rate based on cost. So from percent markup based on cost is markup over cost times 100%. So what we have, markup 120, cost 255. So here is 255, then times 100%. So markup rate based on cost is 47.06%. That's all for question C.